Yo, this is Ali from the AI Enthusiast, and today we're going to be talking about how to generate videos from text. And in particular, we're talking about very short videos, 3 to 4 seconds long. So think of like a GIF or a GIF, however you want to say that. And the way we're going to do that, we're going to be using tools developed by Runway AI and then Pika Labs. So we talked about Runway AI last time in one of the videos. It's a startup. So we'll talk about Pika real quick. So Pika was started by two PhDs from Stanford University, and it's basically mostly focused on like video generation or computer vision in general. So yeah, what we'll do is we're going to just jump right into it. And the way we're going to do that is just go to Google, type in Pika Labs, and you'll see here at the top, you'll see Pika Labs. It's basically pika.art. That's the one you want to go to. So when you do that, you're right here. And then when you get to pika.art/login, sign in with Google. And then it already knows my email address. So I was already directed to it, to the main screen. And then you can just basically type in your story here. So I am going to go here and I'm going to copy this one that I have for this video. A boy winning a 100-meter dash and then doing the firepower pose after winning. So this is like, if I was a good track athlete in high school, I would have done this. I did win a couple of races, but still, I never did this because it is showboating. So, but yeah, go ahead and you press enter. And I already did this once, so let's see if it generates a separate video. But then what we can do is we can go to Runway and do the same thing. So when you type in Runway AI Labs on Google, you're going to get a bunch of links. The one you want to go to is app.runwayml.com. So I'm already there here. And then you do login. So I'm going to log in with my Google account, AI Enthusiast. And there you go. You're at the home screen. And then you go here on the left-hand side, you're going to go to Generate Videos. And then we do start with text. So you can also start with an image, and you can do that for both Pika and for Runway, but I'm just going to use text for this video. And in the later video, I do want to cover providing an image and then doing a video off of that, and then making a comparison of how good the quality of the video is when you do just text versus image plus text, if you will. But because over here, I think you can upload an image and then you can also type something. But yeah, let's go ahead and just paste in the exact same prompt for the one that we did for Pika. We'll just do it for Runway, and we'll click generate for 4 seconds, and then it's going to queue that up. So you can see over here on Pika, it's at like 60% roughly, and then we are at 10% for Runway. So that's about it, guys. It's that simple. You just go online, search for their tools, and they're free. You have the option of upgrading and actually doing like a paid subscription, but for now I'm just demonstrating the usage of these tools for your creative content generation, if you will. And yeah, so we'll just kind of wait. Okay, so it looks like Pika is already done, and it did generate a different video. Let's go ahead and make this larger, and we could just see what happens. Okay, so you can see it's just 3 seconds of a kid that's just raising his hands and lowering them. So it's not exactly showing that the video, like the race is being won by the kid and then him doing the firepower pose. But this is the video that is generated, and I can show you what the last one was as well. It's just a kid that's just breathing. So yeah, there you go. And let's look at Runway at 70%. We'll just have to wait for a little bit. I'll come back in a few seconds. All right, so we can see that the video has been made, like the 4-second clip. Let's go ahead and press play. And this is from Runway. So you can see some things are following physics, but the track lanes are not straight. But yeah, this is a generation using Runway's software, and then you have Pika's software. And yeah, I would kind of say that Runway is a little bit better, but this is just, I'm very early on in exploring these tools. So I think, in the future, I'd like to make an actual video comparing these tools and their capabilities side by side. And then there are some other startups or just companies that are working in this space as well. Now you should be able to go online and generate some of your own clips.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And if you have any other questions or comments regarding this video, please post them at the bottom. And take care. See you next time.